Hello. Today I want to talk about how to create a subscription animation with your favorite logo without using Photoshop or After Effects or other programs. You must first log in to the Animaker website. In this section, you will see the main page of the website. To get started, you need to click on Create Your First Video, and then it should connect to your Gmail, which I did before. Click Create. And then select Create GIF. In the next step, you will see a template selection page where I use Create a Blank Project, and then you have to select your video size. The next step is designed as a scene. First I click on the video timeline option, and then I click on the three-dot symbol and select the color option. In this part I use bold green because the green background is used when editing the video. After that, because I want to use a white background, I refer to the Paint software and create a white rectangle shape and save it, and then go to the Upload section and enter the white rectangle in this website, as well as the logo that I prepared before. I enter to add images to the scene. Just click, and I enter both images into the scene and adjust their size and put them in. The right position, and then I enter the text section and look for the appropriate shape that the subscription form is ready, and on it I click to add it to the scene, and by clicking on the corner of the logo, I make it to the desired size and place it. Now you can watch your video with the play option. And I want to move the images, so I click on the logo and select the Smart Move option, and I adjust its range of motion, and in the timeline section, I specify the range of motion in time. it is almost complete. To save my video, I click the download GIF option, specify my file name, and click download to start rendering. This process may take a few minutes. After rendering, you can download your final file. Thank you for watching our video. If this type of video is useful for you, please subscribe to our channel. We will publish more videos in the future.